Welcome home, homemade by you. Welcome home, homemade by you. Welcome home.
You can already turn on your lights from your smartphone, so why not a candle with a real flame? If you have a difficult day, and you want to be romantic, with Candle Touch, you can create things happen. Just press the button on your smartphone, and burning the candle. The candles themselves are made with a natural coconut wax, and there are 9 scents to choose. Each candle should burn for around 40 hours, and a single smartphone can pair with up to 10 of them. When the wax runs out, or if you just want to change out the smell, you can just plug a new wax refill into the smart base.
You ever have a really great tasting beer on draft? Then you go home and drink that exact same beer from a bottle and it doesn't taste as good? The reason that happens is because beer in a keg is pressurized. This little device is going to change the way you drink beer forever. All you do is snap the tap pro on the top of the bottle and it aerates and swirls the beer as you pour. This gives you that full-headed draft beer flavor, but right out of the bottle. Look at that. You can see the difference right away. And when you taste it, you'll swear you're drinking freshly tapped draft.
Oh, that one definitely tastes like draft.
Oh, this one's definitely draft beer.
Well, guess what? Both beers came out of the same exact bottle.
That's good.
There's no batteries or filters, so you can use Tap Pro again and again.
How many times you open a bottle of wine, but you don't drink all? And then after some days, you want to drink again, but does not taste the same as the first open. Or your wife wants red wine, but you prefer another choice. Coravin, they give you a wine preservation system that will keep your bottles fresh for days, weeks, even months. So you can save money, and not buy bottles of wines again and again. Also will give you the pleasure of the last glass of wine taste same as the first.
We created STOIC. STOIC is the world's first natural standard, inspired by nature to help you stand the way you were made to. It features 3D scanned natural surfaces like flathead river rock and redwood forest. A real bamboo balance beam that upgrades to 3 levels of difficulty, culminating at the infamous knife ridge. Focus fidgets to increase productivity and fight boredom. Spartan toe spreaders to help rewild your domesticated feet. Stress melt massage balls for deep tissue relaxation. Insta-deploy resistance bungees for no sweat micro workouts. All built on our modular base, which allows you to constantly vary the stimulus and level up as you get stronger.
Assist by Vive makes putting on your socks quick and easy. The latex-free plastic shell contours to slide over your foot, pulling up your sock with ease. Each handle features thick foam padding for a comfortable, secure grip. A wide, slip-resistant cuff ensures the sock won't slide off the Sock Assist. Customize the length of the 33-inch cords with simple button adjusters. You can't beat that anywhere.
Okay guys, if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button below. I appreciate you watching, and I'll see you next time.